How to make a man sexually addicted to you. Are you wondering how to make a man sexually addicted to you? Do you want him to keep coming back for more? The trick is, even if they get sexually attracted to other women, you have to get them to vent that lust towards your direction. If you want to make him addicted to you sexually, you have to stop acting like a stuck-up bitch and become a sex goddess in his eyes. In this video, we show you Social Psychology 14 proven ways how to make a man sexually addicted to you. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Media YouTube channel. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. Don't miss anything in future videos. And comment down below "I subscribed" so we can welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. Tease him. This may be the clearest way to make him addicted to you, to keep him interested in you, and to keep him wanting more. Men do not like what comes to them easily. He will enjoy making fun of you for him. You can do this by making him wait before you go to bed with him. You need to make sure he keeps it playful and makes fun of him. Try some oral sex and sex tricks as a way to make fun of him. You can send him your cute photos to make sure he thinks of you. He will take pleasure in chasing you, and this man will make you addicted. Play with him, tickle him before you have sex, and do not give him everything at once. Number 2. Flirt with him. Another way to attract a man and make him addicted to you is to flirt with him. Even if you see him for a while, do not stop flirting with each other. This is one of the ways he makes you addicted. You need to continue to flirt with him to keep the passion alive. You need to make it clear that you care about him. Maybe if you were at a dinner party together, you could say something in his ear or touch his leg under the table. This will help him become addicted to you. Keep your body language to flirt with him. Keep your face close to him so that your lips are almost touching. Do not stop flirting with each other even if you have been together for a while. Keep it exciting by constantly flirting with each other and playing. This is one of the ways he makes you sexually addicted. Number 3. Do what you enjoy. Even if you meet a boy and fall in love with him completely, do not forget about your desires and tastes. Make sure you continue to do what you like and do not give up your desires for a boy. If he sees that you are interesting and unique, he will be even more insane with you for that. If you show him what you love and what you are good at, he will see you as special and will love you even more for it. If you are good at singing, painting, or playing sports, make sure you keep doing these things even if you are just starting to see a new boy. Show him your desires, talents, and tastes. He is sexually addicted to your uniqueness and is holding you back because he has never met anyone like you. Number 4. Don't overdo it. If your husband is trying to make you sexually addicted, it is important to remember not to get too obsessed about it. He sees that you are trying hard to drive him crazy, and this can lead to the opposite. Do not send him countless messages and calls. Praise him, but do not overdo it. If you're trying to seduce him, show him what's special about you. Do not force him to love you and make you addicted, because this will not benefit you. If you overdo it, he may make you tired. Do not overdo it. He will ensure you are sexually addicted. Do not always give him directly what he wants. Number 5. Don't always be available. Just because you are in a relationship with this person now does not mean that you should give up everything for him and spend all your time with him. Make sure you still focus on your friends, your work, your hobbies, and your other responsibilities. He does not want to be suppressed anyway. If you're trying to drive him crazy, you'll not always get it and maybe play a little harder to get it. This is a permanent way for him to make you sexually addicted. Maybe not getting him is not a bad thing. Maybe wait for him. Show him that you are interesting and busy. He will make you more sexually addicted. Number 6. Talk to him regularly. If you like this man, it is important to text him regularly. Be careful not to overload him with messages, as this may put pressure on him and intimidate him, especially if you do not seem to be texting him often. You still need to make sure that it's fun and that your messages are not overly forceful. You should message him to make sure he is sexually addicted to you and thinks about him throughout his day. Send him obscene letters and let him know that you cannot stop thinking about him. This makes him sexually addicted to you and makes him think of you. You may also want to send text messages, such as compliments or messages saying something nice about him. Number 7. Be confident. Most men like to see confidence in a woman. This man will like it if you believe in him. You can show him that you are faithful in many ways. He will be sexually attracted to your trust. If you have faith in yourself, you will be more beautiful in his eyes. It may not be so simple if you act naturally internally, but try to be yourself as much as possible. He will appreciate you for that. If you know this person is comfortable around him, he will be more sexually obsessed with you. Number 8, give him space. If this guy asks for time alone, give it a go. Even though he loves you completely, he still needs space and time to be with himself, to do his own thing and to spend it with his friends. This is especially true if you have moved in with this man. This may not be a secret, but one way you can get him addicted is to keep him away from you. Men want to know that you are independent. This can be very attractive for men. Do not call him constantly and send him messages. Wait for him. This will ensure that he thinks of you. You do not need to talk often. Having rest and time apart from each other is very important and helps keep you motivated. Don't be afraid to set aside a little time and ask again and again. He does not need to be involved in every part of your life. Make sure you keep your own hobbies and maybe even traveling alone. You do not want to be constantly in touch with each other and do everything together. He will be more addicted to you if you have your own desires and tastes that you can tell him. Number 9, have standards. If you always avoid arguing with your man to please him, you are not being fair to yourself or him. You do not deserve to be subject to this man. If you do not always allow him to get what he wants, he will treat you with respect. He will see your constant fear. If you work with him firmly and confidently, he will respect you and become even more insane with you. Let a man know your standards and make sure he follows them. This is one way a man can make you sexually addicted. He will love you more because you are firm with him. For men, he may be more addicted to you than women who have authority in a relationship. Do not misunderstand this as a boss or rule, but make sure you are confident and in line with your own standards. If he knows you can control him, he will be even more insane with you. If you are wondering how a man can make you sexually addicted, show him this side of you. Number 10, make plan with him. This is one way you can make him addicted. Plan things to do with him. Staying in a hotel for the night can be exciting to do together. Make sure it never gets boring and you are always doing adventures and trying new things together. Men like a challenge and can be lazy if things are mundane. If he gets to see your spontaneous, adventurous side, he will be more towards you. If you behave like this around him, he will definitely tell his friends about you. Getting a change of scenery from time to time is healthy. So a weekend getaway might be the best thing to do together. Plan a romantic weekend with him to keep things exciting. It is important to always be adventurous and always try new things together. Everything you do together strengthens your relationship. Keep with him memories that you can talk to in the future and tell to your friends and family. Number 11, be yourself. Your person will inevitably fall in love with your true self more than the personality you are trying to portray. If you truly and completely surround yourself with this person, he will become heavily addicted to you. If you trust him and accept him completely, he will love you even more. If you pretend to be someone you are not, he will know that you are trying hard to please him, and this can disable him. Everyone has shortcomings, and it is useless to try to hide them from him. If you show him your shortcomings and be completely yourself, he will become more addicted to you. Don't be afraid to really be around him, even show him your shortcomings. If you are open and honest with him about who you really are, he will love you more. This is one way a man can make you sexually addicted. Number 12, take things slowly. If you try to make him addicted, do not give him everything at once. Make sure he tries and that not everything is easy for him. Maybe play hard to get, be hard, and make him work for things. Give him a little to keep him interested, but let him work in your relationship. Guess him. Give him a reason to go crazy and chase after you. Do not reveal everything about yourself at once. Men like the urge to chase. He needs to be made to feel that he is working for something. Do not make it easy for him, as he may get bored in the end. Don't be afraid to play a little harder to get. You try to make him addicted to you. Number 13, maintain a balance in your relationship. It is important to always maintain the balance of your relationship. You both need time to be your best when you are together. You both need time alone to meditate and think about how you feel. Spending time apart is not a negative thing. He will love you more if your relationship is balanced and healthy. This makes him more sexually addicted to you and strengthens your relationship with your husband. Number 14, be kind. If you are not sure how a man can make you sexually addicted, One way to do this is to be kind to him. This is one of the things that most men look for in a woman, regardless of the makeup you wear and the outfit you choose. It is more important for a man to be kind than you look. When you are kind to men, they will be even more mad at you in the bedroom. Thanks so much for watching. Check out this next video.